Okay, this is a quick video for changing out LED bulbs the easy way on a 2015 GMC. So the easiest way, I've seen a video where they tell you to take out these two 10 mils, flex the headlight back and try to reach down. That only works on the other models where the LED bulb's over here. Ours is hidden way over here in the corner. So you pull the battery out on the driver's side and you have access to this hole, and you can reach in. Pull your bulb out. There's a socket, I already pulled it out. And then for the airbox side, it'd be the same thing. So I got aftermarket here. All I had to do is take the lid off, take the filter out, and then you'll see the access hole where the air comes in, and you do the same thing on the opposite side. And that's the quickest, easiest way to change your LED bulbs. So there you go.